to talk about some on-field football this evening. The Reggae Boyz beat Suriname in their return Nations League game. That is the sum total of the good news. The harsh reality is that the Jamaican team still don't look organized and structured. No amount of off-the-field distractions and excuses can change that fact. We win the game, yes. We scored a couple of nice individual goals. But who is Suriname? Let me say this again. Since Paul Hall replaced Tapper Whitmore as the Reggae Boyz coach, the quality of play and the results have not improved. For sure, Paul Hall does better interviews and is much better at articulating his tactics and his vision of the way forward and blah, blah, blah. Beautiful English accent. But don't where the ball bounce on the grass. The football is looking just as pitchy patchy. And don't tell me that Paul Hall needs more time and he needs more games and blah, blah, blah. He was not hired to start over the football from scratch. He was hired to improve on what was there before. And that is not happening right now as we prepare to face Mexico next week.